To what new horizons can we look now? Where are tomorrow's opportunities? The frontiers of the future are not on any map. But now, what's ahead of us?
This is Cyclops Gaming.
I'm Scientist 710.
And I'm the Alclops. Let's do the thing. Alright, back at it again. For the king. And I believe it's your turn.
It still am.
Jelly Cube. Are we all in?
We are all three in.
Where am I?
But that's 2 jelly cubes and a bat for us. Or I could go closer to this question mark.
Alright.
I made my choice.
That's probably responsible. Alright, I'm gonna go in it.
Yeah.
I'm doing it. I'm gonna walk right in it. Something unknown. Buried artifact. Ooh. Oh, 42%, I just get plus 3 damage. Well, why don't we... Let's fix that. 44% plus... Oh my gosh. There. Yeah, no, I'm getting the item.
You're getting an item.
There's no question about it. That item is mine. I guess it's yours. I can't discard it. I'll just collect it for now and then gift it to you. It told us how to gift earlier, didn't it?
Yeah, you have to be like 1 square away or something like that.
Oh, okay. Here, I'll be standing in the same square. Maybe then I can do it. Glass rod? Oh, give.
Yeah, there we go.
Hey, yeah, there you go.
Hey,
I gave you a glass rod.
Glass rod.
Yeah, you're welcome.
How about that? Think.
And that's the end of my turn.
Yeah.
Oh, some
What
shit's
is
popped
that
up.
thing?
Should we make a camp? Oh my gosh. Yeah, I think you should have player 3 come over to our square and make camp.
Is it safe to camp with this much crap around?
I mean,
We'll find out,
I was about to say we're gonna try.
Let me see, and then I hit the Y button and I click on...
Tinder pouch. Yeah, use to create camp at which... Yeah, heal and regain focus. Set camp lasts for 9 turns and can be used by any character to regain HP or focus. I mean, if we're gonna be out all night, we should use it.
Yeah, so let's rest.
Yeah. Yeah, do that.
Oh god.
Okay, so it's your turn now. I guess rest?
Ooh, there's a stone circle over there too. We'll rest
Oh
here.
wow, yeah, alright. Rest. Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Holy crap though.
Yeah, now we've got some stuff.
Stuff.
Alright, well, go ahead and head
So
north.
Stone circle?
Wait, what are we supposed to do? Find and solve the fresh grave in the Guardian Forest. Expires in 18 rounds. Oh shit. Where's the fresh grave? Where's the Guardian Forest?
We're in the Guardian Forest.
Oh, where's the fresh grave then? Oh, is that it?
No, that's where you found the thing.
No, that's the Glittering Mines,
Glittering
which we're
Mines.
supposed to go in there anyway.
Yeah.
So maybe we head for that.
Yeah, sure. There's a lot of stuff going on in this
There's a lot of stuff
this
going
woods. So we're gonna head for the Glittering Mines?
on. Yeah, let's do that.
And my turn.
Oh.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Alright. Nice.
Got all 5. You can be right there next to the old blacksmith.
I think I can get in it. Yeah, because if I
Yeah.
use my whole thing, I get an energy boost. Nice.
Enter party.
Yeah, let's do this.
Danger, danger.
Yeah. We already took on something way harder than this. We can do this.
We don't
This
know
is
how
easy.
hard this is.
Yes, we do. This is crap.
Ooh.
Ooh, we loot.
Looted
We loot.
always.
We loot immediately, regardless of what it is. Oh, all right. A war shield.
Ooh, you
I'm
use
gonna.
one of those. No.
No. The
Blacksmith.
the blacksmith.
does.
So I'm gonna pass to the blacksmith.
Pass and the
Collect it for
blacksmith will
now.
Collect.
Can't use it with that two-handed pickaxe.
Right.
But eventually,
Blacksmith is ready. I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Ooh, this is a good
Hey,
room.
Skellyman in the back. Ow, shit. Okay, let's see. He's got armor, so we're gonna snipe him.
There you go.
Wow, yeah, he was all about that. Fucking wrecked him.
Damn, killed him. No, but I didn't
Like,
kill him.
yeah, like Statler and Waldorf, but we kill people.
Nah.
Okay,
Yeah.
just whoop, fuck him up. Ow, stop.
Yeah, shoot that bat bird.
A bad bird. The whack. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, I'll share my 8 coins with you guys. Why not?
Tinder pouch, I'm gonna pass that to the blacksmith.
Oh yeah, since they used one.
Since the blacksmith used theirs.
Good call.
So that's handy. I'm ready.
Ready.
I'm ready. Ooh, we got a
Okay.
little pig kid.
Look at the piglet. But he's a cut purse. Oh, how adorable. I can't shoot him. And shoot that asshole, though.
Yeah, he looks crazy.
Ooh.
Oh, wow.
You might want to shoot him,
You
though.
should have shot him.
No, he didn't do anything to me. You, though. Ooh.
Oh, that's really unfortunate.
Oh, shit. Ooh,
Oh,
nice.
puke. Oh, wow.
Ooh,
They have
that's
got
rough. Alright,
Let
hit them
me
all
see.
if you can.
I can't remember we changed
Oh,
our
right.
weapon. We really should change that back too, because this thing kind of sucks.
I mean, when it deals damage, it deals damage. Like that. Yep. Snipe him. Yes, that's one down.
Oh man, you should have hit the cut purse.
Oh, it robbed you, and it took your teleporting
Yeah,
scroll.
it's almost like it's called a cut purse.
Well, I mean, you know.
See, because if you would have done some good damage to it, I probably could have killed it right there with that group attack thing.
Probably could have.
Boom.
Oh.
But that's alright.
Well, that'll work too.
Hopefully I got my teleport.
You did.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm going to pass that back to me because that's mine. And collect that. And then we can share the gold.
I got a honeyed sponge. Permanent plus 1 to resistance. I'm gonna just use that.
Yeah.
That sounds great. Sponge.
Ready.
Did I just consume a sponge?
No, I believe you did.
It's alright, I've eaten worse in games. Ooh. Okay, so it's immune to some stuff. Oh, we're going for the jelly cube first because, wow.
Because we all know the stories.
Yeah. Oof.
And it's just got a buttload of hit points, dude.
It does. I don't like it. We need to go for the jelly. Okay. Alright.
I gotta spell the damage as everybody. I feel like that's just always my strongest
frozen.
turn one.
Yeah, definitely go for the jelly again. Do as much damage as you possibly
Well, I
can.
got a 59% chance to do 24.
Give it a shot. Go.
Nah, this is 84 to do
I
16.
mean, go big. It's at 15.
Yeah, and that was almost a
Oh.
perfect, guaranteed 16.
Yeah, where's
Come
the
on,
fun in
man.
that?
Math.
Take
Math
a
is fun.
chance.
Yeah, see, I'm also playing a squishy class over here on the other side, and when you take chances with those, you die.
Yeah, but I'm not telling you to take a chance with the squishy class. I'm telling you to take a chance with a big, heavy tank. That's what it's here for.
Here, now we'll crush it low.
See?
That was satisfying.
Did even more damage to that than you did to the blob.
Share some gold. Hold on, guys. Oh no, I only had the one and I already used it.
Yeah, we only, all of us only had one, unfortunately.
It's all good. I was gonna burn one, but
Oh, there's nothing here. So it's up to player 3. You can proceed, disarm, and you've always got focus points you can spend.
Focus points. You spend those with X, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
66. 85% chance to disarm.
Let's
95.
go with a 95.
That's even better. Nice job.
Sweet. Plus, I got some of that focusy herb. We can smoke that later.
That's right.
I'm ready.
Ready. Make any final preparations? Party rest?
May as well.
Probably not a bad idea. Okay, sweet.
Alright, I'm ready.
Total party heal. Ready.
Ready.
Next level. Sick. I like that this cave just keeps going.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Alright. 22. Yeah, you.
There you go.
Oh no.
Ooh.
Ow. I'm very, very thankful for the rest earlier now. More so than I was before. Uh-oh. Oh, okay, that was weak as shit. Yeah, suck it.
Boom, lay down,
Smack.
kid. There it is.
Oh,
That's alright. I should be able to drop him.
nice.
There we go.
The Bone Archer.
That's what they used to call me in high school. I'm just kidding. Nobody ever called me in high school. Traveler's tunic.
Ooh, I think I'll wear that. What's talent?
I believe that would matter for bards or performer classes.
Okay, that would make sense.
And you're a woodsman, so not.
Let's
you.
equip it.
Smash and daze. We
Hey.
should pass that.
Yeah. And I bet if it's a one-handed weapon, maybe it's a one-handed weapon?
Maybe. Let's equip it. See what happens.
Oh, hey.
I'll pass that to the bow daddy over here.
+3 evasion. So, shot and weapon snipe. +25 damage against humanoids.
Okay.
I think I'll just collect it for now.
Yeah, it's worth collecting and reading into here later in the dungeon.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Nice.
Hey, here's some stuff to.
Oh.
Sanguine monster.
It's a merling, not a murloc. It's a merling. All right, he's got armor. Let's shoot him. Yeah,
Nice.
right in the face.
He's going home after this.
Uh-oh. Ow. Ooh,
I'm
bleeding.
That can't
That's
be
not
good.
good. Oh, and
And
you're
I'm
lethargic.
lethargic.
Oh. Well, that should slow the bleeding, right?
Yeah. Okay, here we go.
Theoretically.
So I could daze, but that dude's immune to daze, so let's just smash this guy.
Yeah,
Just kill
there
him
we go.
outright.
Just dead. Nice. You do not have any armor.
Most ghosts don't.
Nice. Right.
Damn, bats are hard to hit with magic. They're easiest hit with a bow.
Yep. Maybe with a pickaxe.
Don't have a pickaxe.
Oh yeah, that's right. Oh yeah, you should equip that shield as well.
If I can.
Yeah, you should be able to. It's a one-handed.
Hey, I leveled up again. Share some gold.
Ooh, a spiked pole. It does 10. I'll pass that along to player 3.
Pass, Andy. Oop, I equipped. That's alright, whatever.
So go ahead and hit Y, or up, and then go over to your pouch. Yeah.
Okay, there we go.
Oh, you changed the...
Oh, there we go.
Down with the D-pad.
That's right, D-pad.
Yeah, this is all D-pad for menus.
There we go.
Yeah, now we're talking. Uh-huh.
And then let's go over here and go glass rod, because that's twice as much.
Yeah,
But I only get one spell.
That's alright. Look how much damage you do.
It
with
does way more, though.
That's awesome. And then just some scrolls. Alright, and then...
You get a chance if you want to take a look.
Yeah, let's see. My bone bow. Currently, I'm wielding a common short bow.
It does 2 more damage.
Yeah, it does.
And
Shot
it does
snipe.
plus 25% damage against humanoids, and everything we've fought against so far looks like a humanoid to me.
20 damage against flying. 25% plus 3 evasion on both of them. I mean, this one's just better.
Yeah, all day.
Equip.
Unless the moves suck, and even then you're basically...
No, I'm only down, pinned down, and I haven't used it much anyway.
Right, but that's weapon snipe and not snipe shot, so that's a whole different thing.
Ooh, it is. Maybe I take somebody's weapon with
Yeah, I
it.
was about to say disarming might be a thing in this game.
Okay, so this is up to player 3. Yeah, there's literally just drink it. There's nothing bad that can happen.
I mean,
you have a 0% chance.
You literally need 6,
Oh, yeah.
and I only need 5, so you need it more than me?
Sure, technically.
So drink that
I'll
shit.
drink it. Sip, sip, sip. 15 HP.
There you go.
Alright. Nice.
May as well use our resources to the best of our ability.
Sure, yeah. Let's min-max. I'm down for it. Bash it. Or no, pass. Pass over to player 3. Yeah. 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 Bash the shit out of that.
Yeah, she's bad.
Hell yeah.
Ooh, look at this whole room full of dudes
Alright.
who need smashed.
Chaos Priestess. No one will ever know what happened to you down here. Only that you failed your miserable quest.
Gosh, she needs to lay off the menthols.
Yeah, I mean, you know.
I'm hitting 80.
I think it was
your
me,
turn.
I guess. Ow.
Oh, she's got
Acid.
50, so we need to
Oh
aim on
no,
her
I'm
hard.
tripping.
Ooh,
Ooh,
no.
weapon snipe. Perfect. Oh. What did that do? Did that interrupt? It interrupted her next attack, I think.
My attack attacks everybody.
Ooh, that's nice.
Really nice, dude.
Ow.
Especially with that priestess having 1 billion health.
Yeah, smash.
Let's daze this
Yeah, do it.
trick. Yeah. Now
Yeah.
she's dizzy.
Alright, I'm gonna do a regular shot.
Yeah, hurt her bad.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, because now I'm going to blast her in the chest, and this should put her all the way down.
Yes, that was so good. Wow, that felt great.
I'll share that gold.
Collect that book of lore.
3 books of lore.
Panax. Use this herb to cure 1 poison, bleeding, and all elemental effects.
Nice.
Player 3 needs that right now. Use that. You can remember because they had...
Well, there's another one, so collect that.
Okay. Fancy vest. 4 armor, 4 resistance, 3 talent, and 3 luck. That would be for a minstrel.
Yeah.
So you could equip it if you want, or you could just collect it and sell it.
Yeah, I'm going to collect that to hawk it.
Portal scroll. Creates a magic portal at your current location or destination, choosing a small radius.
Probably pass that to the spellcaster.
It doesn't matter really. I think we can all use scrolls, and I think this is for in the
but
overworld.
Determined by the user's intelligence, I bet the spellcaster has the highest intelligence.
You're probably right.
I'm ready. Oh, it goes deeper. Ooh.
Shine.
Touch the butt. Why is it always me? Let's throw another, and then disable.
Yeah, way back. Hey, we did it.
At least for now.
Well, I mean, yeah. Ooh, all that glitters. We got an achievement. Look at us.
Ooh, we have a chance.
Nice. Oh, that's ominous.
Hazriel, the gateway to the sanctum of chaos.
Ooh. I thought it was just a myth. No.
Well, stop thinking, homeboy.
Ooh. Oh, okay.
What it portends. Alright, dude.
Villain. Surrender yourself and end this madness, lest you tempt my wrath. That voice. Oh. Not Paris. Parid.
Yes.
The walled
It's like-
city of Parid.
Yes, it was like Paris and putrid mixed together.
Alright. Go to Parid.
We can go, but I don't feel like it right now.
Yeah, I mean, I don't think we should at the moment. We got other things we can do, like all these optional quests and...
Yeah, we should get some loot. And then that thing's only got 4 turns left on it, so I think we should probably get the hell over there.
Yeah, we might be able to get to it. Oh, it's got 3 turns on it. Alright. Well, I think we should go for that next time. Because, I need to stand up and stretch.
You're probably right, because I probably agree.
Alright, guys. Thank you, everybody, for watching. This has been another episode of For the King. If you liked it, hit the like button. Please comment on the video. If we like your comment, we might even respond to it. Who knows? And subscribe and ring that bell for updates. We try to post a video every single day, so be on the lookout for our content. Bye.